Sweet potatoes and beans is one special delicacy everyone enjoys. But funny thing, many people don't know about this combo. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this delicious beans and sweet potato porridge and everyone enjoyed it. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do to subscribe, comment, like and share. To make this special delicacy, you first of all need to get up sweet potatoes, wash, peel and cut them into bigger chunks just like this. Get your beans, cook until it's very much tender. Just as you can see. One thing I like about this combo is that it's so filling. You can eat it in the morning and next time you feel hungry will be in the evening. So as much as your beans is very much cooked, your potatoes should also be very much tender. Just as you can see in this video, guys. Once you confirm that your potatoes are very much cooked and tender, go ahead and add in your already cooked beans. Remember, this beans is 100% cooked, so go ahead and add the beans and cover up to cook. Remember, I did not strain the water from the potato, but the beans, I didn't add it up with water. Of course, the beans had no water and this is the potato water. Now I'll allow them to boil together. Into another clean pot or pan, go in with your red oil, saute your onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then go in with already sliced tomatoes and then go in with all the spices you'll be needing. For this recipe, we don't really need so much spices. I will fry my tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes and then added up my seasoning cube and salt to taste. And of course, I added some crayfish which will enhance the taste of this. For my seasoning cube, I like to use Knorr cubes. It enhances my food taste and of course makes my food taste better than any other one you taste out there. I also used vanilla fish. You can add if you're using, and if you're not, please skip. Add salt to taste and allow it to steam for another 2 to 3 minutes so everything will be well combined, just as you can see in this video, guys.
Cooking's fun, come take a seat. Welcome to Jen's Tasty Treat. Sweet or savory, every bite. Let's cook together, it feels so right. Jen's Tasty Treat.
Once everything is well combined, go ahead and transfer it into your pot of beans and potato. At this point, I will tell you that our food is 70 to 80% ready because everything is well cooked. Simply allow them to properly cook and then your food is ready.
Cooking's fun, come take a seat. Welcome to Jen's Tasty Treat. Sweet or savory, every bite. Let's cook together, it feels so right. Jen's Tasty Treat. Yum, yum, yum. Flavors for everyone. Come, come, come. Easy, tasty, and so neat. You'll love it here at Jen.
Once everything is well combined, guys, go ahead and serve. Whoever that eats this food will definitely enjoy it. Is it not simple to make? Will you be trying this method? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. You know, as always, I appreciate that. If you're watching up to this time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. As always, you know, I appreciate that. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, eat healthy and take care of your body because that's the only place you have to live in. Bye.
Jen's Tasty Treat. Yum, yum, yum.